Hi, this is Juan from JuanTutors.com. Welcome to my totally free office hours. Today we're working on the January 2017 Algebra 1 Common Core Regents. If you want to access these exams anywhere in the world, go to nysedregents.org and click on the appropriate link. All right, let's get started. Here's number 16. Which point is a solution to the system below? 2y is less than negative 12x plus 4, and y is less than negative 6x plus 4. So one of these answers is it. 1 comma 1 half, 0, 6, 1 half, negative a half, 5, or negative 3, 2. Definitely try the problem on your own. See if you get the same answer as we do. Remember that there is no standard way of solving this question, so see what you get. I'll give you one way. I'm going to use graphs to show what's going on. So 2y is less than negative 12x plus 4. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And I get y is less than negative 6x plus 2. And then the second one also gives us that y is less than negative 6x plus 4. Both of those are true. Now, I do notice that for both to be true, then the first one has to be true since they both have a negative 6x. And 6x plus 2, negative 6x plus 2 is smaller than negative 6x plus 4. But even if I didn't notice that, I'm going to do this. So negative 6x plus 2, negative 6x plus 2, and I do negative 6x plus 4. And how do I change it to a less than? The less than symbol is not, they should really just change the equal sign, but they don't do that by changing the equal sign. They have you change this. So that's above, that shades above, so that's greater than, y greater than. This is shading below, so that's y less than. And here also, this is just a thicker line. This is shading above the y greater than, and this is y less than, okay? And so let me zoom standard to graph both of these. Okay. So that's the first one. And that's the second one. And so then this dotted region is the region that satisfies both inequalities. There is a sliver of space between the two lines that's only shaded by one of the inequalities, and then this region is shaded by neither inequality. So this region is not a solution to any. This sliver of space is the set of solutions to only this second inequality, and then this, what now looks like a checkered area, which is actually just shaded twice, is a solution to both inequalities. And which of these points is in all those regions? Let's see, 1 comma 1 half, 0, 6. So let's change the window. I'm going to change the window from, let's see, 1, negative a half, 0, and negative 3. So how about negative 3 to or negative 4? Negative 4 to x equals 1 is the greatest, so 2. Just have one more. Y min, the lowest y is actually a half, so I'm going to go to 0. The greatest y is 6, so I'm going to go to 7. Let's graph this now. Okay, and that's actually going to be a little bit clearer. So now you actually see the little sliver. Now, which of these points is in this region? Let's see. 1 comma 1 half is not in the region, in any of the regions. 0, 6 is not in both regions. It's not actually in either region. Now, negative a half, 5 is, we graph to 5, so negative a half, 5 is up here. Okay. Which is actually on the line, I believe, since these are less than, these would be dotted lines. So that is not a solution to any. So then the only remaining one is this one. And let's see, negative 3, we graph from, let's see, window from negative 4 to 2. So negative 3 is right here, and 2 is right here. This is very deeply in the shading, the region that's shaded by both. So that's the answer. And we can check the way we should check, and in fact the way that most kids do the answer to begin with, by plugging in this value. So negative 3, 2, we get, remember that this inequality is stronger than this inequality, strictly stronger, since this one being true implies that this one is true. So we could check just this one. So 2 is less than with a question mark. Negative 6 times 3, negative 3, plus 2. So let's see, negative 6 times negative 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So 2 is less than this. And this is definitely true. So that is, in fact, the answer. And if you don't believe that it's enough to just plug into this one, sure. And you get 2 is less than 22. Okay? So that's it. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're watching from one of our playlists, hit the fast forward button to start the next video right now. If not, go to youtube.com, search for JuanTutors.com, click on the name, and definitely hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell if you want to receive notifications when we post new videos, and scroll to the bottom. All of our playlists are going to be right at the bottom. Just click on the appropriate playlist and play all the videos from there. And if you feel like you need a little extra boost with tutoring, go to our website, check out our testimonials, and if you feel like we're right for you, you can click on the Contact Us link and contact us straight from the page. Thanks for watching.